If you've ever wondered how gamers manage to stream or record their gameplay in a smooth, stretched resolution using OBS Studio, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up, stretch, and capture your game exactly how you want, without those annoying borders or black bars. Ideal for anyone looking to get that full, immersive effect in their recordings or live streams. Let's jump straight in. First, we need to set up your game source. This piece is absolutely foundational, so take your time here. Go ahead and open your game, but make sure it's set to the stretched resolution you're aiming for. This step is important because OBS will capture what the game is actually rendering. If it's not stretched in-game, it won't look stretched on your stream or recording. Once your game is running in the right resolution, head over to OBS Studio. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see the Sources panel. To add your game, click the little plus icon. You'll be given a bunch of options. Choose Game Capture. This is the best method for most games, as it hooks directly into the running application, which helps avoid performance issues and gives you better control of what's shown. After you select Game Capture, a new window pops up. Here, you'll want to choose either Capture Any Full-Screen Application, or, if you prefer, select a specific new window. If you have multiple games or apps open, just pick your game's name from the drop-down menu. Hit OK to confirm. Don't worry if you don't see your game pop up instantly. The first time, OBS might take a few seconds to find it, especially if the game just launched. Now, with your game source added, you might notice that the preview doesn't quite look right. Maybe there are awkward black bars or the image feels squished or off-center. This next step is what makes the magic happen. Stretching your capture so it perfectly fills the canvas. Ready? Right-click the game capture source you just created, right inside your Sources panel. A menu appears, and you'll want to look for Transform. This menu helps you control how OBS displays your source on the screen. Inside the Transform menu, you'll see the option Stretch to Screen. Give that a click. Instantly, you should see the game fill the entire preview area in OBS, stretched to fit the canvas resolution you've set for your stream or recording. It's almost like resizing a photo or adjusting a projector. The edges get pulled to meet the frame, so everything looks clean and professional. If you're worried that stretching might make things look weird, don't stress. For most games, especially older competitive shooters, this is a common trick that actually enhances the field of view or gives you a unique look for your audience. Just keep an eye on your game to make sure the visuals still look sharp enough for your taste. And that's it. Your game is now set up to stream or record in a stretched resolution, just like the pros do. This technique not only upgrades the viewing experience, but also gives you that edge in presentation that can help your content stand out. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with a specific game setup. Subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on gaming tech and streaming tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.